Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to Into My GT Entertainment, and I am Joel. Nice to see you on this evening. This is going to be a short little video. I just wanted to show y'all some of the t-shirts that I got made for me and let me know, what y'all think about them. Like I said, I kind of like them all, but there's probably some better than others, and then maybe y'all will have some ideas of a better design or something a little nicer. You might have a design that you may want to send to me to put on a shirt, and then we'll go from there. So let me show you what I got here. You can kind of see it like back here in the background right there. Oh, sorry. Right there in the background. Let me bring them up close to you. So hold on 1 second. Alright everybody, this is the first one. It has just Into My GT on the front with the car in the back. You can see right there. Bring that a little closer to y'all. Right there. And then the only difference between this one and this one is this has the YouTube in the front also, across the top, right there, with the same, photo in the back, right there. And like I said, these are just kind of, I guess, preliminary. We're just kind of figuring out what I like, and then we'll go through there, maybe get a better picture and stuff like that. Let me show you the other one. So hold on. Alright, and the other one is this one right here. It's a little thicker shirt, different color. It is Into My GT right there. And then on the back of it, it just says Into My GT Entertainment with the play button right there. And it's in the royal blue. My wife washed it already. It kind of faded a little bit, I believe, but we'll figure it out from that point. So these are the ones that I have for right now. Y'all let me know, and let me, if y'all have any ideas of what y'all like. I'm open-eared, so hold on real. Alright, those were the shirts that I have for now, I guess. Like I said, I want to do little different designs. Those will be my Mustang Week shirts that I'll probably get carrying down there. Don't have really time to do anything between here and there. So just like I said, trying to get an idea of what y'all like and want to see. And like I said, if y'all are talented enough and whatever with the artwork and stuff like that, feel free to DM me or hit me up, and maybe we can work something out and then get some cool stuff done. But again, nice to have this little conversation with y'all tonight. I wasn't planning on doing a video, but I thought I would just put a little something out there. And remember, the best part of my videos are y'all. So we'll catch you on the next video. And you may want to catch Derek's video tonight if he posts it. Just to say. So we'll see you later. Peace.